Good morning to all of you. Welcome to my class. Before begin, we tell you today we are going to discuss CAP in the chapter reason sequence, some theory and questions. This chapter is very important, especially in CAP. That is, CAP is known as a common arithmetic progressions. It is the main important chapter JEE mains and advanced. Let us start today's class. Today's series and sequence chapters common arithmetic progression, which is known as a CAP. Common arithmetic progression. Actually, what is the common arithmetic progressions, which is known as a CAP? CAP. A sequence formed by a common terms of two APs is also an AP, and its common difference is the LCM of their common differences. That means we have a two APs. Their common terms. Two AP have some common terms. Which form a sequence, which is also an AP series, and whose common differences are defined LCM of the common differences of the AP for number 1 and number 2. That means there are two APs. For example, let us take two series, that is 1, 6, 11, 16, 21, 26, 31, 36, 41, 46, 51 is an AP series with common difference with first term A is equal to 1 and common difference is equal to what? 11 minus 6 equal to 5. And take another AP is 9, 16, 23, 30, 37, 44, 51, 58 is a AP with 9. A first term is 9 and common difference is equal to 16 minus 9 equal to what? 7. Now we check it, which are the common terms. Here common terms are equal to, common terms are here 16, here also 16. That means 16 is the common terms of the two series. And next is 51, and here also 51 is the common term of the series. If we write more terms, then we get more common terms. Here we have seen after 51 we get 86. That is, this is known as a CAP. This is known as a CAP. That is the common arithmetic progression, CAP. CAP, common arithmetic progression is these two series is 16, 51, 86 dot dot dot. Here first time is, we have seen that first time is 16. Okay, first time is 16. And the common difference of CAP, common arithmetic progression, is the LCM of here is the 5 is the common difference, here is the 7 is the common difference. Therefore, common difference of the CAP is D is equal to LCM of 5 and 7, which is equal to 35. We have seen that if we subtract 51 minus 16, then we get 35. 86 minus 51, then we get 35, not 6, 35. So this is known as a CAP, common arithmetic progression. This series is very important in JEE mains and advanced. Next example, we take two AP. This one is AP this, that is AP with first term A and common difference 2. Another AP this with first term A equal to 1 and common difference 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Here also we get the common terms. We check it. What are the common terms? Here is the 1, here is the 1, that is 1 is common terms. And next, here is the 7, here is the 7, so 7 is common term. Here is the 13, here is the 13, therefore 13 is the common term. Here is the 19, here is the 19, so 19 is the common term. That means this series form a AP, which is known as a CAP. Common arithmetic progression. Here we have seen that A is the first term and common difference is equal to what? 7 minus 1, that means equal to 6. What is the 6? 6 is nothing but the LCM of the common difference of the first series and common difference of the second series. That means LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. That is known as a CAP. Very important. CAP means common arithmetic progression. It is the most important in case of JEE mains and JEE advanced. Some questions in every year from CAP we get 1 or 2 questions in mains and advanced. That is the common arithmetic progression. To discuss CAP related question which is in JEE advanced 2018. The question is given, let X be the set consisting of the first 2018 terms of the AP this, and Y is also set consisting 2018 terms of AP this. Then number of elements in the set X union Y. Solution here, from here we get X is equal to what? X is equal to number of elements in X. That means X has a number 2018 elements. Again, number of elements in the second series, that is Y. Number of elements in Y is equal to 2018. This is also given. And X set is given. X is equal to the set consisting of the numbers 1, 6, 11, up to what terms? 2018 terms. This equal to what? We can write this number actually what? 1, 6, 11, this term equal to what? This term is equal to actually, if we do it, then I get 1 plus 2018 minus 1 into D means 5. Then we get 1 plus 2017 into 5, that is equal to 10086. That means this term is equal to what? 10086. Similarly, here A is equal to what? A is equal to 1 and D is equal to what? D is equal to 5. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. And similarly, Y is a set consisting of the elements given 9, 16, 23, up to 2018 term. If we write this term, then we get 9, 16, 23, this equal to what? That is the first, that is this equal to 9 plus 2018 minus 1 into what? 7. This equal to 9 plus 2017 into 7. This is equal to, after calculation, we get 141. After multiplication, we get 28. That means this equal to what? 14128. That is the So that is the second. Here also A is equal to what? A is equal to 9 and D is equal to what? 7. Now we check it. What is the common term of this set and this set? From here we get, that is the 16. Here there after this there is a 16. That is the 16 is the common term. That is cap. Therefore common arithmetic progression is equal to what? Consisting of the first to 9, not first is the 16. And D equal to what? D is equal to what? The LCM of what? 5 and 7. That means 35. That is D is the common difference of the cap. Is equal to 35. Then we go 16 plus 35 is equal to what? 16 plus 35 is equal to 51. And similarly 51 plus 35 is equal to what? 86. In this way we get the common terms, and last term is always less than 1086. Since it's a common term, so last term is always 1086, less than. Okay. Since all are natural numbers, this is the bigger than this, so last term should be less than this. Okay. That is the cap. No need to write this cap. Now I have to find number of elements in this cap. Number of elements in this cap. Suppose this cap has a n terms. Therefore we get Tn equal to what? Tn is equal to A plus A means what? 16 plus n minus 1 is equal to D is equal to what? D is equal to 35. Which is always less than this because it is the common series. AP, common arithmetic progression, so last term should be less than this. Therefore we get this less than or equal to 10086. Now if we calculate this, then we get 16 plus 35 and minus 35 less than equal to 10086. This is equal to 35 and minus 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Here also 2 minus 1 equal to 1 less than equal to 10086. This is equal to 35 and is equal to 10005 2 plus 0. If we calculate it, then we get 10086 plus 19. Then we get 520. Therefore we get 101. Therefore we get what we have? 10105. Therefore this implies n is equal to 10105 by 35. No, that is less than equal to this is equal to 288.71. After calculations we get this. Therefore, since n is a natural number, therefore we get n is equal to what? N is equal to 288. That means we get the common AP consists of 288 numbers, and that means we get n of x intersection y has how many elements? 288 elements. Now we have to find number of elements in this. How can we find this? We have a one formula. We omit this. After deleting this, we get n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersections y. Already we have to find this. This is equal to 2018. This equal to 2018. This equal to 88. 288. Then we get 8 0 4 minus 288. Perhaps after calculation, calculation is your, but technique is mine. Technique is hamara and calculation is tuhara. So this is equal to what? This is equal to, perhaps this is equal to, after calculation we get 3748. 3748. That is the result of this problem. This problem is get some difficulties, but if you try, then you have to success. That is the after success you get the test of the IIT Maths, and it is interesting. We are going to discuss very important questions from the viewpoint of the JEE Mains and Advanced. Question is given the side of a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. This is the important points are in AP. If the triangle has an area of 24 units, then what is the length of its smallest side? Okay, first to draw the triangle. Consider that is the A side, that is the A plus D side, that is the A minus D side. Solution: let sides are, since it is AP, therefore we get A plus D and A minus D. That is the three numbers in AP generally. Since this is a right angle triangle, therefore from Pythagoras theory we get A plus D whole square is equal to what? A square plus A minus D whole square. That means hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square, which is known as a Pythagoras theorem. Okay, after calculation we get A square plus twice AD plus D square is equal to A square plus minus twice AD plus D square, and D square cancel, A square also cancel, plus another A square is there, therefore A square is cancelled. Then we get this equal to what? A square is equal to, we get 4AD. This implies we get A is equal to what? 4D. That is the main thing. Okay. Is there any difficulties? I think there is no any difficulties. That I have used only Pythagoras theorem and 4 terms in AP. Okay. Next, given area equal to what? Half into base into perpendicular. That is the very important point, which is you have to know in earlier class or class 9 or 8. Here it is given 24, that means half into B means what? A. Perpendicular means what? A minus D. Therefore, we get A square minus DA. After multiplication, we get this equal to 48. Since we know A is equal to what? 4D. Therefore, we get 16D square minus A into 4D is equal to 48. This equal to 16D square minus 4D square is equal to 48. This is equal to what? This equal to 12D square is equal to 48. That means D square is equal to 4. This implies D is equal to 2. Since this is the common difference, but here since it's the side of a triangle, so D is always positive. D is always positive, so we take only D is equal to 2. Therefore, sides are what? The A is equal to what? This implies from here A is equal to 4 into D is equal to what? 2. That means 8. Therefore, A is equal to 8 plus 2, 10. Therefore, 6. Therefore, the smallest side is equal to what? 6. That is the result of the very beautiful problem from JEE mains and advanced point of view. Such type of question is very interesting, and we get test after solving the problem. We are going to discuss very important and most interesting questions and very testful question of the mathematics, but only techniques are different. How to solve it, that technique is not general, that technique is different. So these questions comes in JEE mains. What technique we have to use? In case of minimum and maximum, always we use the AM is greater than GM. So we discuss this problem in details. Suppose we consider this is equal to R. What? R equal to, consider AB plus BC plus CE. After taking LCM, we get ABC, then we get C plus B, not C plus A plus B. But we are given that this equal to what? 1 by, this is given A plus B equal 1, therefore we get A, B, C. That means we get R is equal to 1 by A, B, C. Very simple calculations. But in case of minimum value and maximum value, we have always take help of AM and GM. That is, we know AM is greater than equal to GM. Again, we have tell you that in case of find minimum value and maximum value, we always take help of inequality, that is AM is greater than GM. Here first we have to take AM of these three numbers. AM of these three numbers, that is ABC is equal to what? AM, A plus B plus C by what? 3 is greater than equal to what is the AM? GM of ABC? GM of ABC is equal to what? ABC whole to the power 1 by 3. This is equal to, if we take cube both sides, then we get no need to this. First time we have to put this equal to 1, this by 3 greater than equal to what? ABC whole to the power 1 by 3. After this, if we cube it, then we get 1 by 27 greater than equal to AB. That means ABC is less than 1 by 7. And here we get r equal to what? 1 by ABC. Now we have to find minimum of this. That means this equal to r minimum. R minimum. When r will be minimum? If ABC is the maximum. From here, what is the maximum value of ABC? ABC max. Maximum value of ABC equal to what? Maximum value of ABC is equal to 1 by 27. Other values are always less than 1 by 27. So maximum of ABC is equal to 1 by 7. That means this equal to minimum when this is maximum. That means ABC maximum, ABC max. If this is maximum, then this become minimum. So what is the maximum value of ABC? Maximum value of ABC 1 by 27 is equal to 27 is the minimum value of this expression. Very interesting problem, very simple, only techniques are different. That is the IIT types of questions. Very simple problem, how to solve it. But it is not general method. You have to solve this method by some technique. That is, you have to remember some. It is very difficult to solve it in general method. So special method I have to discuss in details. थोड़ा सा दिमाग से सोचिए how to solve it. The minimum value of the sum of the real numbers. Sum of the real numbers. Those are real where is greater than 0. Sum of the real numbers. These questions very important. JEE, CEE and JEE advanced in 2011. So technique is the main thing. What technique we have to use to solve this problem? That is the sum of these numbers. Now suppose we consider that sum of this number is equal to r. So r is equal to what? R is equal to what? A to the power minus 5, a to the power minus 4, that is plus this equal to 3, a to the power minus 3 plus 1 plus a to the power 8 plus a to the power 2. We have to find this minimum value of this number, the sum of the number, that is r. That means we have to find the value of r minimum. R minimum. First, we have to already told that in case of minimum value and maximum value, we have always held an inequality which is known as AM is greater than GM. If we take AM and GM of these numbers in this way, then we get difficulties. So we have to change the number. How can we change the number? That means first we have to know numbers are a to the power minus 5, a to the power minus 4. We consider these three. The sum of three numbers. So we take it separate. Therefore we get a to the power minus 3, a to the power minus 3, a to the power minus 3. That is the one type of techniques. If general method is failed, then we have to take help such type of thing. Next number is 1. Next number is a to the power 8. Next number is a to the power 6. We have already told that minimum and maximum, we take a help the AM is greater than GM. So since we know AM is greater than is equal to GM of these numbers. What is the AM of this number? AM of number is equal to what? A to the power minus 5, a to the power minus 4 plus a to the power minus 3 plus a to the power minus 3 plus a to the power minus 3 plus 1 plus a to the power 8 plus a to the power 10. How many numbers is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers is there. Therefore, divided by 8, that is the AM of this number. And what is the GM of this number? GM is of this number is what? A to the power minus 5, a to the power minus 4, into a to the power minus 3, into a to the power minus 3, into a to the power minus 3, into 1, a to the power 8, a to the power 10, whole to the power. How many number is there? 8 number is there. Therefore, 1 by 8 by definition of G mains. Okay. That is the technique. If we calculate it, then we get what? This is equal to 9, 18, 10 plus 8 equal to 10. Therefore, it comes a to the power 0. A to the power 0 is nothing but 1. 1 to the power is equal to 1. Therefore, we get this is equal to what? A to the power minus 5 plus a to the power minus 4 plus again we add these. Then we get 5 a to the power minus 3 plus 1 a to the power 8 plus a to the power 10 is greater than equal to what? 8. This is equal to what? This is equal to R. Therefore, R is greater than equal to 8. Now we have to find the minimum value of the sum. That means we have to find R minimum. R minimum is R is greater than or equal to always 8. Therefore, minimum value is nothing but is equal to 8 is the very it is the result of this question. This question is very important. We have to use this technique. Technique is हमारा, calculation is तुम्हारा. Okay, very beautiful problem, very important, most interesting. That is the last question of today's class. To get new type of techniques to solve JEE questions and theory, please subscribe the channel and comment it. And do not forget to like and share it. Thanking to all of you with best wishes. Okay.